In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a watch list to chart in Thinkorswim. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to your watch list on the left-hand side, and then over here you want to color code it. So here it's going to basically show you a bunch of different numbers with different colors, and you must first give it a number or a color. So I just gave it the red over here, so red 1, and as you can see I have Apple and Tesla on here, 2 stocks just for this tutorial, and then all you have to do is you want to move over the charts up top here, and then you want to go and select the same color and number over here as well. So I have 2 right now. If I select 1, which is red, it's going to automatically populate the chart with Apple because that's selected. And if I now go ahead and use this watch list and click on Tesla, it's going to change it and switch over to Tesla. And if I had anything else on here, it would of course switch as well. And that way you can just easily link your chart together with your watch list to actually quickly navigate the platform. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.